Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake is defending the Jamaica Constabulary Force's phased implementation of body-worn cameras, insisting the force is focused on building a system that's sustainable, secure and accountable. In the latest force orders, he says the JCF has already invested heavily in the digital infrastructure needed to properly manage the massive volume of video data generated by cameras. Janella Precious reports.
Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake says the implementation of body-worn cameras within the Jamaica Constabulary Force is about more than simply purchasing devices. In his latest Commissioner's Corner, Dr. Blake says the force has spent years building the technological infrastructure needed to properly store and manage video evidence before expanding the program. The Commissioner revealed that since the 2024-2025 fiscal year, the government has budgeted for the procurement of 1,000 body-worn cameras annually over 4 years. He says 1,000 cameras were procured last year, while another 1,000 are now being acquired for the current fiscal year. Dr. Blake also disclosed that more than 1,500 body-worn cameras are already deployed daily across the island, particularly in areas with frequent public interaction and a higher risk of disputes or allegations against police personnel. The Commissioner says one of the biggest challenges is data storage. He says that 1,000 cameras recording for just 2 hours each day would consume 1 terabyte of storage daily. He says with 4,000 cameras expected under the program, the JCF would require massive long-term storage capacity to preserve footage for investigations and court proceedings. Dr. Blake insists the investment is necessary to ensure video evidence remains secure, accessible, and credible. He says the force is committed to implementing the program properly rather than rushing the process for appearances.